Drew, you want to boop me in? You want to boop in there, guy? Yeah. It's hard to do like a motovlog style content when you can't hear any of your voices. So like, I either talk to my camera by myself and then answer you occasionally, which is weird, or I just choose to edit my voice out of this entire video. I guess we could take this little turn up here again if you want. You wanna do that? I'm gonna take it. Careful, there's some interesting stuff in the road. There you go. Now you got the advantage over me. Oh. Well, it looks like I'm about to run this. Yeah, well, good thing it's a four-way stop. Yeah, I don't even have the sun in my eyes, and I didn't fucking see that shit. At all. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let me turn. I just want to turn. God damn it. Please. Oh my... Really? Really, motherfucker? What are you doing? Why are you in the middle of the lane? Why? Because they're retarded. Oh my god. Let's not get hit from behind. I'm way behind you. I'm sitting in traffic. Yes. Let's go get this bread or tacos. I'm ready for it, baby. Let's go. All right, where's this left turn? Well, it's not exactly a comfortable left turn. I'm making a left turn right here. Yeah. Well, onto the side road. I know. I couldn't find the left turn for the Wawa. This cop is gonna pull me over. Of course, there's a fucking cop right here. Yeah. I'm coming to the behind. I'm coming behind. I'm so stressed out. Okay, well, multiple cars made that same left turn, so I am not alone in this. I'm in Wawa now. I'm in the Wawa. I'm in the Wawa. Where you at? Where you at, my little slut? Daddy's looking for you. Oh my god. I see your little helmet. Ooh. Hey there. Which way are we going out of here? Dude, there's so many people trying to leave this here parking lot. Bloop. Bloop. I just want to let you know, I love looking at you from behind. my love for you is overheating. I don't know. Yeah, no, that thing looks nice. That thing looks clean. Yeah, I've never seen a Chrysler 300 look nice, and I don't take this lightly when I say it, but that thing did look kind of good. You're beautiful to me. It's 35 here, right? It's 35 here, right? Do 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 do. Doing the speed limit, trying not to get pulled over. I'm going a consistent 32 mile an hour. I'm so excited for these tacos. They're gonna be so delicious. Hoocha! Funky cow. Literally a cow. Literally a cow right there. Aren't you excited? Oh, Emily can't hear me. I keep forgetting that. She knows. She knows what I was pointing at. I thought that mom was kind of hot, but never mind. She wasn't. Yeah, no! Fuck. That Harley Davidson looked kind of nice, honestly. Making my way downtown. Bloop. Walking fast. Dog salon. Wait, where is it? It's somewhere up here. We might have to turn into this Wawa and park and then walk. Right? What? To park in the Wawa and then not eat at the Wawa? We're gonna... It's right there. Alright, well... There actually is a parking spot here. Bloop. Nope. Wait, yes.